Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to import Temu reviews to your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to go ahead and log into your account. So after logging into your Shopify account, you'll be greeted by the home page right here, where to the left side screen you can see all the sections we can access for editing our website, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and get started with importing the reviews. So what you want to do is go right here to the left side screen and find the apps section. You want to click on add apps. After clicking on add apps, it's going to open up this new menu where you can see the most frequently used apps, and one of the options is going to enable us to open up the Shopify App Store. So you want to click on Shopify App Store. That's going to open up the App Store in a new tab. And now guys, we can get started using the App Store and searching for what we need. So basically guys, you're going to find the review application that you want to use for a store. You can search for Temu, and this is going to enable you to find an application that's going to import your products. But if you want to import reviews, you want to go ahead and search for reviews. So after searching for reviews guys, this is now going to give us a list of all the apps that we have related to reviews. And basically guys, you can see here we have the product reviews app, we have the vitals reviews, bundles, and so on. So these are applications that you can go ahead and use for importing reviews from Temu or any other website into your store. So you can see we have the Trust You product reviews app and the reviews importer and so on. So you can use any of the apps right here. As you can see, that's going to enable you to input and import those reviews into your Shopify store. So you want to install it by clicking the install button right here, and clicking the install button is going to enable you to proceed with the steps to add this application to your store. After adding it to your store, it's going to appear right here under your apps, and you can get started with importing your reviews by following the steps. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.